was fine, but I never said I don't hurt. We take photos as a return ticket to a moment otherwise gone. I am not this hair, I am not this skin, I am not the soul that lives within. I just need one person to never give up, one me, on me, just one. Accept the situation and move on. Hug respect to those who are trying to heal others, forgetting their own hearts. Never put your time into the hands of the ungrateful. Listen to your voice, your own soul. Too many people listen to the noise of the world instead of themselves. Deep inside, you know what you want. Let no one decided that for you. Blame no one. Set people straight if you can. If not, just repair the damage. And suppose you can't do either, that where does blaming people get you? Stop thinking too much. It's alright not to know the answer. They will come to you when you least expect it. Words and act must be handled with care. Once broken, they are impossible thing to repair. If someone keeps bringing you down despite your best effort to make them happy, just let them go. Why continue? If you know you were standing in front of quicksand, would you jump in anyway? Sometimes God will put you a Goliath in your life so you can find the David within you. I have not failed. I have just found 1,000 ways that would not work. I forgive myself for viewing someone's lack of reciprocation as a challenge to convince them of my worth. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any outside. Self-confidence is a superpower. Once you start to believe in yourself, miracles start happening. There is only one thing more painful than learning from experience, and that is not learning from experience.